All right, let's talk about the top plugins to supercharge your handheld. These can totally transform your gaming.
So if you really want to get more from your device, Decky Loader is where it's at.
But first, what is it? Well, it's a simple tool for adding awesome new features to your system. Once it's installed, it just works. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard.
Okay, before the top 5, here are a few honorable mentions you should definitely check out.
All right, let's kick off the countdown. At number 5, we've got a great one for community players.
It's called Play Count. And trust me, it adds a really satisfying little detail right to your library.
You can see exactly how many people are playing a game right now. It's super cool.
Moving on to number 4. This is for all of us with a huge backlog of games, right?
This one's called HLTB for Deck, and yeah, that stands for how long to beat.
It shows you exactly how much time you'll need, which is perfect for picking your next game. Coming in at number 3 is a plugin that's all about making your library look sharp. It's called Steam Grid DB, and it fixes that annoying artwork problem, especially with non-Steam games.
Basically, it makes your whole library look clean and consistent. No more missing art.
All right, our number 2 spot is a game changer for playing games from outside of Steam.
It's actually a duo, non-Steam launchers and Unify Deck. They bring other storefronts right into SteamOS. So, non-Steam launchers installs things, and Unify Deck organizes it all into one big, clean list.
You do have to pop into desktop mode for a bit, but it's totally worth it.
And now for the number 1 spot. This one is all about squeezing out more performance. It's called Decky LSFGVX, and it uses something called lossless scaling for a huge performance boost. This lets you use frame generation in games, which can seriously pump up your frame rates. It's easy to use, super powerful, and gets more out of your hardware. A total no-brainer.
So, that's our top 5. Now I'm curious, what's the one plugin you can't live without?